The use of a pallet truck is a great way to lift a very heavy load safely without causing yourself or others unnecessary harm. Let's take a closer look at how to use a pallet truck. Whenever you're talking about a pallet truck and how to use it safely, it's always important to remember to make yourself familiar with the equipment. This could include actually one-on-one training with someone who's already experienced with the pallet truck or has been certified at your workplace on how to train others to use it properly. There's usually basic instructions, however, on a sticker or on some placard attached to the device. And it's important that you also look at when the last time that piece of machinery was serviced and make sure it's working effectively. Let's watch an example of using the pallet truck device. The first thing the user will do is check and recheck the load. Make sure it's secured and centered and balanced. Make sure that there aren't any obstructions in the pathways where the load will be moving, and clear any dirt, stones, or other debris from the pathway. Lift the load using the hydraulic pump device, and then keep the load close using little steps and short movements. Once you've stopped after reaching your destination, making sure that the landing zone is clear, lower the load and make sure your load is still balanced. Move the handle into the upright position and ensure that no one will trip over the load.